Hello everyone, my name is Rob Smiley and welcome to episode 1 of Tuesday Tech Tips. I thought I would start this series off by showing you all something that is easy to do but will improve your browsing experience very much and that friends have appreciated me doing for them in the past, and that is install an ad blocker. Now, there are a few reasons why you might want to do this. First of all, online ads are distracting and annoying, particularly if you're trying to show something in a professional setting. I myself have attended more than one class in which everything had to be put on pause while everybody waited for a video advertisement to finish playing before we could watch something online that the instructor wanted to show us. Ads also have the potential to drastically slow down web pages you're visiting while also consuming more data on your network plan. Some ads can also pose a security risk. Malware distributors will often buy ad space on popular websites, hoping that you will click on something that will compromise your computer. Finally, many advertisers that aren't dangerous are spying on you, tracking you in a variety of ways as you browse the web. And these range from logging how long you visit certain websites, what pages on them you visit, where your mouse is, what you click on. And the reason they want to do this is because they want to target advertisements at you more specifically and be able to show you web advertisements that you're more likely to click on. Today we're going to install a free and open source ad blocking tool that should be able to block most online advertisements while also preventing many of these companies from tracking you. The name of the tool is uBlock Origin. Now make sure that you get this tool from this website here, ublockorigin.com. There's another website, ublock.org, that is not affiliated with this project. In fact, if you install uBlock Origin, it will give you a warning if you try to visit ublock.org. So we go to their website, ublockorigin.com, and they provide an easy link for us right here to get uBlock Origin for our web browser. This takes us to the Chrome Web Store, the page for this browser extension. Now we just click the Add to Chrome button and confirm adding the extension. Give it a moment. And uBlock Origin is now installed and working on our Chrome browser here. Now, there is a downside to ad blocking, and that is that some websites that you visit you might want to support. When you block advertisements, they're not able to make money off of the ads that would otherwise be shown to you. Fortunately, there is a feature that lets us get around this. For example, if we visit the news site, cbc.ca, right now the ad blocker is on, but what we can do is go to our browser extensions, this puzzle piece looking icon right here, click on uBlock Origin, and this will bring up the browser plugins interface. It shows us some statistics on what it is blocking, and it also gives us this big icon here that looks like a power button. If you click that, it will disable uBlock Origin for this particular website. If we reload it, we should see the advertisements again. If you're using Firefox, the extensions icon will just appear right here and you won't have to click the puzzle piece icon in order to see it. So it's a little easier. All right, now we can browse the web with more privacy, faster load times, and fewer distractions, as well as allowing ads on the websites that we want to support. Thank you everyone for watching. Image credits are in the description below. If you have any questions about what you've seen here today or a suggestion for next week's topic, please leave a comment in the comment section below. All right, bye everybody.